Hello friends, today I'm going to make a review on this Prestige rice cooker. It's a 1.8 liter PRWOS model, and I'll show you in this video what all parts they have provided with this rice cooker, and what are the pros and cons and how we are going to use it. So this is the user manual that they have given, and the complete details are there in it. This is the lid. It's a stainless steel lid with a plastic knob on it, and they have provided this measuring cup for measurement of rice and water. They have provided this spoon. It's a power cord. This is the steamer bucket that they have provided. So in some companies models, this steamer bucket is not provided with the rice cooker, and there's a plate that they have given. I'll show you the use of it. And this is the pan in which the rice is going to get cooked, and this pan is non-stick, so it's good. And this is the element which is going to heat, and this is the main part of the rice cooker. Here's the power cord, and this is the warm and the cook button. It is an auto cut also. So these are all parts that they have provided. So we can use it this way, that you have to put this container into the rice cooker, and then you have to keep this plate. This plate is basically for the rice, so that it won't stick to the bottom of the cooker. It will provide a distance. But the con of this plate is that it's a bit smaller than the base of the cooker, so the rice got inside the lining, and some rice got to stick still. And if you don't want to steam anything with the rice, so you can just directly keep the lid over here and you can start the cooker. And if you want to steam some vegetables, momos or anything, you can keep it over here, and then you can put the lid and start the cooker. So almost it used to take 15 to 20 minutes to cook rice. And I have used I'm not used this. I just use my normal measuring utensil that I used for daily cooking. But the rice were cooked nicely. And what one drawback I came to know is that they have given two modes. One is cook mode, and after that, if you are going to consume the rice after half an hour or 1 hour, you can keep it warm by switching to the warm mode. It is like this, cook and warm mode, you can switch. So warm mode, once you switch on the warm mode, after some time the rice dried up. So don't use a warm mode for a longer time. Else, if you have to use it, you can just add some more water, or just cook the rice a bit sticky, so that later on when you keep it on warm mode, it won't get dried up. So these are the things. Elsewise, this rice cooker will cook 1 kg of rice at a time, and other things are all mentioned in the user manual. In my further videos, I will show you some of the recipes that I'm going to make with this rice cooker. And also you can use it as a idli maker as well. Like, you can put the idli maker inside this, and you can also use it for steaming of idlis. So a lot of things you can make it inside this rice cooker. So I will show you also some of the recipes. So if you like our reviews and our channel, just like our videos and subscribe our channel, so that you will come to know once we upload new reviews and new videos or recipes. So friends, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.